Most people think dogs communicate through barking and whining, but the truth is some of their most important messages are completely silent. These three are the ones worth paying attention to most.
Before your dog makes any sound, their body has already told you the whole story. A loose, wiggly posture means joy and safety. A stiff, still one means something has their full attention, and not in a good way. Your dog's eyes are one of their most expressive tools. A soft, blinking gaze is trust and affection. A hard, unblinking stare is a warning. And looking away on purpose, that's them telling you they mean no harm. The number one silent communication is the one that's so small you might be missing it every day. That little glance back at you on a walk. That pause and turn mid-play. That is your dog saying, "You're still here? Good. I've got everything I need."